and welcome ACOnetwork is again with you with unboxing again. In my previous unboxing video of Logitech G231 Prodigy headphones, I told you that I will unbox, review, specifications and so on of the headphones that I ordered, and those headphones are these RAZER ELECTRA V2. Yes. Okay, so today I will be talking about specifications of the headphones, microphone, how do they feel like, microphone test, and on the end the problem I have with them. So stay tuned. Before I tell you all this stuff, don't forget to subscribe. Of course, you can hit like button if you like the video. If you do not, thumbs down. And share with the others so others can learn too. Okay, let's start. First, let's look at the packaging itself. Packaging is pretty nice, nice, transparent on this side, cardboard, nice looking, so basically not bad packaging. Say that those headphones goes for $50 to $60 euros, and for that price they are good, And let's start with the specifications of these headphones. First, let's look at the headphones themselves. Frequency response of that headphones are from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which is pretty nice. Headphones impedance are 32 ohms plus minus 15%. Maximum input power is 50 milliwatts. Driver is 40 millimeters and it has NADAM magnets. Driver is speaker that is inside each side of the headphones, and you can hear the music from these drivers. Oh yeah. Cable length is 1.3 meters or 4.27 feet. Approximate weight of that headphones are 294 grams or 0.64 lbs. So let's switch to the microphone specifications. Microphones has frequency response from 100 Hz to 10 kHz, which I would prefer to have more wider range, like Logitech has from 50 Hz to 20 kHz. Signal to noise ratio is more or equal of 50 decibels. Sensitivity of the microphone at 1 kHz is minus 41 decibel plus minus 3 decibels. Pickup pattern is unidirectional, so it takes the sound all over the microphone. Headphones themselves has the controls also. Control for the volume on the back of the headphones, so when you put it on you can set the volume, and also it themselves has the off on switch for the microphone itself. If we look at the microphone is not foldable. If you do not want microphone on the headphones to point out, then you need to pull out the microphone, sadly. But you know, they created like this. To insert microphone inside the headphones, you basically first need to take out this rubber thingy, which is this. I will put it to a side, and microphone itself, as you see, has a groove inside. So basically it goes only one way. And that's it. Microphone you can bend to whatever position you want. Next, on the end of the cable of the headphones is this classical 3.5mm plug, which contains the microphone and the headphones in one. But if you need splitter, so let's say microphone and headphones you have in two separated plugs, you can just plug in the splitter, white splitter that you get with the headphones themselves. Just this one side, just plug in your headphones, and the other side just plug in your computer wherever you need it. Headphones are pretty nice, you know. These pads are very soft, so they are very nice to the ear and head. Also, this is a little bit harder on the top, but it is very comfortable. This is spring which it automatically adjusts to your head. By my likings, I more prefer the manual setup of the headphones, not that automatic one. But you know, by the way, these headphones are pretty nice indeed. Headphones, as you see, are dynamic, so it will adjust to your head very nicely. One problem that I have with these pads are that for my head, for my ears, those parts are a little bit too narrow, and that is why after a while of using the headphones, my ears start to pain a little bit, you know. So sadly. Okay, but let's try the microphone itself. And that is the microphone test. As you see, you can adjust the position of the microphone. The microphone quality is good, it's not the greatest, but it is quite usable, you know. And let's go back to the original video. After showing you all this stuff, these spring things, metal top body, plastic, soft pads and so on, there is a problem that I need to share with you, all of you. The problem with it, headphones, are that sound is leaking from the headphones to the microphone, even if microphone is turned off. What do I mean with that? Let's say in my case, when I'm streaming live on Twitch or YouTube, let's say, wherever, I have one program installed on my computer, which I can redirect the sounds of my each programs themselves. And let's say all the sounds, let's say background music, game and so on, goes through this application, and these all sounds are taken by OBS Studio, which is streaming the video. But let's say I want to watch some video and I do not want anyone to hear this video. I'm basically directing this, let's say, video player directly to the sound card, so it bypasses the stream. And if I do this and watch the video, more I increase the volume of the headphones, more the leak to the microphone these sounds will get. And everybody will hear what I am hearing of this video. So that is very big no-no for me. Mostly people do not need those stuff, redirecting sounds and so on. So for many people, you can use normally headphones and microphone to your likings. But in my case, I certainly cannot have this. I am leaving at you how do you like these headphones, if you will buy it and so on. If you have any questions, did not understand something or whatever, just type everything below this video in comment section. And until next time, have a nice time. Bye bye. If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day. Bye bye.